Hello everyone, my name is Natasha Denise and welcome to my channel. If you are oldie but goodie, welcome back, and if you're new, then welcome. Sorry I've been gone for a while. I'm just gonna do a brief summary. Last year was a very rough year for me. Started off good, but then I ordered a laptop, a MacBook, and I got scammed, so it got stolen. And then our condo got burglarized, and one of the things that they stole was my Canon camera. So I was so discouraged, and I was just so upset and everything that I just was not in the mood for filming. However, it didn't stop me from shopping. So and I still have the mindset like I was gonna film. So there's a lot of items that I purchased that I never used, that I wanted to film, never got a chance to film because I didn't feel motivated. So it was just like so I'm going to be pumping these videos out quite fast for you guys. So I'll talk about that in another video, but I just wanted to direct that to you guys. So let's get started. This that I'm going to do now is going to be a Sephora haul. So there's two. So one is from my birthday. My beautiful sister, my brother-in-law, gave me $150 Sephora gift card. So of course, like, yes. So went there, did some damage, and then I have been buying things over time. So let's get right into it. So the first thing that I want to go over is the Huda Beauty nude palette. And these are items that's all new to me, guys, okay? Some of these items probably have been out, but they are new to me. So I just think the packaging is just like so gorgeous. And then you open it up, have her gorgeous face. You got this mirror, and you have like this beautiful, beautiful color collection. I'm just like, I cannot wait to dive into it. Those nudes are gorgeous. Last year, Huda was canceled last year for me. Caught myself trying to give her another chance. So we started with that, and we'll see how it go. The next item that I got is from Glow Recipe, and it's the Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. It comes in a box like this with the blueberries on top, and it looks like this. And I heard very great things about this cleanser. The person who motivated me to get it was actually Rich Lux. I'll leave his video, a link to his video or his YouTube channel at the bottom if you haven't heard of him. He purchased it, and he had great things to say about it, so I wanted to try it. This one I'm so happy about. So this is the Pat McGrath Mothership Bronze Ambition eyeshadow palette. I'm so happy for this. I've always wanted to get Auntie Pat, but her stuff is so expensive. This is my very first Pat McGrath anything, and so that's what the colors look like. Beautiful mirror, and I just really love it. So I wanted to get the bronze one because I know it's something that I can use every single day. The other items that I picked up the Laura Mercier Flawless Radiance Perfecting Foundation, and my color is Hazelnut. Looks like this, and I know it kind of like look too bright. That's just the ring light though, because this was my perfect match. And once again, it's the Laura Mercier, and I got it in Hazelnut. The next items that I have is the Fenty, and these is one of the items that I did throw in the bag, but I got these when they first came out. And it's the Stunner Lip Paints, and I got the Unlocked, Unattached, and Undefeated. Look like that, and you all know what they look like, right? So I'm not going to even take them out the package, but yeah, so I got these, And I had got those, like I said, when they had came out. I've never used them. Like I said, I wanted to wait until I filmed. The next item that I got is the lipstick thick. Looks like that. I'll give it a swatch. And this is also, of course, from Fenty Beauty. And I just thought this would be a gorgeous color to wear for the springtime. That's just a beautiful nude. And so I really like it. So I got that in addition to the concealer. Now, I did pick up the concealers when they first came out, but I had to go back. So the first one that I got was $380. Was it $380? It was either $380, $385 that I got. And it was skin tone. And it wasn't nothing wrong with that. But I ended up getting $360 this go round because I wanted something a little less skin tone, a little brightener. So that's $360 on my arm. And yeah, and I have not used this one either. But very excited. The next thing that I got for the month of February, Sephora birthday gift, I got the Drunk Elephant. And I got the cream and the jelly cleanser. I've used this before and I really, really love it. They are just so expensive. I have not purchased the full bottle. And my last two items that I got from the first bag. This is also from Fenty Beauty, and this is the Mademoiselle lipstick, and this is in Flamingo Acid. Looks like that. It's a pretty mahogany type color. There you go, right here. It's really, really pretty. It's like a mahogany, like a plum type color, and it's so beautiful. Like, I kept trying to see, like, dang, do I want it? Dang, do I not want it? And I kept going back and forth with myself, and I finally just said get it, because if I didn't, I would have regretted it. This next one is it's a repurchase, and it's the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, and it comes in this packaging, and I'm sure everybody on YouTube have seen it. It looks like this. I love the way this smells. I love the way this feels on my body. I tried to moisturize my whole body with it before. My eyes just got so irritated, so I just let it focus solely on my ass and my thighs. But I love it. And so that's my go-to scent for the summer. And in my next bag, oh, and I did get a free little sample of the Tasha, the Deep Rice Polish. You know, they gave a little sample of that. The next item that I got, which is from the second bag, is I got the Laneige Fresh Calming Toner. This is for sensitive skin. So I love my fresh one, but I wanted something a little less inexpensive than that, so I don't have to go through it. So I heard good things about this, that it doesn't dry you out. Alcohol is not one of the main ingredients, which is good. It has a 12-month shelf supply. So I want to try it, and I love Laneige's lip mask. I'm addicted to the lip mask, so I just said, like, what the hell, let me go ahead and get that toner and see what it's like. The next item that I got is my second item from Auntie Pat, and this is the Pat McGrath the mini lip trio. They call it the Skin Show Trio Edition, and it looks like this. I love her packaging, and these are all the colors in the back. I really want to get the red one. But I got the new one first, and these are only like $25, and they say it's the first edition limited release. But I love it, and I never went through a whole thing of lipstick before, so those minis are perfect, and the price is perfect too. The next item that I got is from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it's the Riviera palette. I did order this from, I didn't get this from Sephora. I actually ordered it from Anastasia site when it first launched. And so And it looks like this. I love the feeling to this. It's not the velvet feeling like the other ones. It's a different feeling to it, and I like it like cloth like. And these are the colors. These colors are so beautiful. And so like what I'm doing is I'm trying to get out of my fear of eyeshadow application, because I'm like how do like they put this color and this color together? How do they come up with this and stuff like that? And I always shy away. I love eyeshadow palettes, but I always shy away from doing my eyeshadow because I fear that I'm gonna mess it up. But I'm getting out of that fear, and I'm just going into just do it. And if it looks good, looks good. And if it don't, it don't. I can always take it off and try it again. My next item that I got, this is not new to my channel. Anybody that knows me knows that I love the Micro Smooth. This one is tan. This is my favorite one. This is like my fourth one. I love it. Listen, Ashley has me loving it. I cannot do my makeup application without it. And the next item that I got is the Dip Bra Gel from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I got it in dark brown. It looks like this. So I got this with the Riviera palette, and like I said, I ordered the Riviera palette as well as the eyebrow, gel from the site. And last but not least, I got the Hydro Grip Primer from Milk Makeup, and I heard so many great things about it. But I'm trying to be more cautious on my spending. So I'm looking more so at the smaller sizes first to see if I like it, to see how it works. And if it do, then I can go and invest in the bigger one. But yeah, so I'm really excited to like try this out. And that is it for this haul. So this is my Sephora haul. I hope I didn't go too fast. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I love you guys, and thank you all for like staying with me even though I have been absent for a while. Like, thank you for still kind of like looking for my videos and riding with me. I appreciate that. And I'll see you in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.